Hi, this is Attorney Mike Graven coming to you from Chicago. As usual, today we've got a really fun one. It involves a flop house and 3B. It's good stuff. Let's do it.
Good morning, sir. Who am I speaking with?
Haley Thomas.
Do you have the ability to do video?
No, I don't, sir. 1985 was last year I was in school. I don't know how to do that stuff. I'm 52 years old. I'm not computer literate.
All right, well, we'll figure it out. At some point, maybe we'll have to have you come in. But all right, good morning. You're in the right spot anyway. I won't tell you
Yes,
last
sir.
year I was in school.
I would like to start making payments on my whatever things they're doing. Popos are giving me tickets every day.
Oh, that's so good. I'd like to start making payments on the things, whatever they're doing. The Popo keeps writing me tickets every day. This one's kind of charming. They're in a bad situation. But they really are. They're fairly nice. They can't keep their language under control, but they're not bad people.
So I'd like to start making payments.
So we get everybody here. Let me see here.
Yeah, I got Christy here. She's getting tickets too.
All right, well, just wait a bit. We got to get everybody set up.
Okay, thank you, sir.
All right, just don't go away.
I'm not going nowhere.
All right, me neither. You got two other cases that are set for next week.
I'm here, Miss Middleton. Christy's
Yeah,
here too. We're all homeless in the same house. So if we can get all this covered at the same time, we're all here.
All right, very good. Jenny or Sarah or somebody, Haley's got two other cases for arraignment on 518, Haley Thomas, 22778 and 22779. So could I get those files also? They didn't show up on my cheat sheet. Good morning, Jeanette.
Good
morning.
Haley, I'm going to put you in the waiting room.
Okay, well, don't forget about Christy, too. They got to get my
All
case
right,
filed.
what's Christy's last name?
Seeley Roberts.
Christy Roberts?
Seeley Roberts as well. My married name is Seeley Roberts. It's Seeley, but
Christy Seeley.
It's all just sort of innocent, actually. Like, don't forget about Christy, too. Well, she's not on the call today, and we don't have a video feed, so I don't know anything about Christy. But Judge Middleton, as usual, just rolls with it.
yeah.
We're all in the same boat.
Does the boat have a hole in it? I don't have Christy Seeley Roberts set for today, but we'll find out what
Oh,
the
you
deal
don't?
is.
Oh my God, you're lucky.
Okay, well, I'm going to have to, I am supposed to go
See
back
what I
and
can
forth.
figure out. So don't go away, lady. Stay right where you are. I'm going to put you in the waiting room. Apparently, I may also have something on Christy Seeley coming up. They're all in the same leaky boat, she said. I'm sorry, Jeanette, you have TJ today.
Oh, dang.
TJ, I have Haley
great.
Thomas here with Christy Seeley Roberts. Haley has no video, but she's got two cases also set for next week.
Oh, she got even more coming.
Well, I'm going to get those files also.
We're going to ask for bond conditions on her as well as Miss Haley Melinda Thomas that they not appear at, reside, or go to the premise of 304 West Street. It's a condemned house that's being used as a flop house. It's pretty nasty in there, and they're going there every day, and it's just full of people, and they refuse to leave because the new law doesn't allow them to remove anybody.
Well, all right, let's hold on until I get them in here.
Are they, you said they're at the courthouse in person?
No, they're wherever they are, somewhere with no video, they're together.
Probably at 304 West Street.
Possibly.
Yeah.
Jeanette, would you drive over there and check that out?
Yeah, I believe it is hyphenated, and all the documents I have, they're hyphenating the last name.
Okay.
They're
All right.
They're a thorn in TJ's side. So,
Are they? Can you get them out?
Well, I mean, Jeanette, what this is we have some condemned houses that are in deplorable, unsafe conditions posted, and they just keep living there and doing.
304, is this that house we had with that?
This is a different one. So that you're going to see Mr. Kling come back. There's some of those coming from that residence at 303 South Nottawa.
Okay,
304 West Street is Rip Rippey's house.
yes.
And Mr. Rippey will be in, I think, next week, in the following week.
Well, the house is condemned. Was a trespass a possibility?
That's what we're writing.
what
Just
I'm
these
sure.
Oh,
are.
that's what you're writing. Oh, okay, I didn't know.
Under the, and the issue now is under the new Reform Act, there's no remedy immediately because the jail won't take a trespass. So you can't arrest them. You can escort them off the property, but they're just going to walk right back. So we need bond conditions. So it's a contempt order. So it's violation of judge's order, and the jail will lodge on that. So they can at least remove them from the house. I mean, our concern is we're going to have a fire, and we're going to have a house full of people that, perish in a fire because of what's going on in there.
Yeah, okay. I was wondering why it hadn't been condemned if it was that.
Oh, no,
late, but apparently already.
There's stickers all over it.
Yeah. Is it
Yeah.
going to be like raids
This
or
has been a
something?
problem for 2 years.
So, and that's the thing. That's never an easy decision for the city to decide, you tear somebody's house down because
Well, they don't own it yet, do they? It just
well, no,
is-
that's 303. 304 is owned by one of the individuals who we continue to cite. It's owned free and clear.
Yes.
It's just,
So they can't just go tear down somebody else's house without further order.
right. Or there's a repair demolition order under the property maintenance code, and there's an administrative procedure. And that's what ultimately a decision has to be made at city level of how they wish to proceed.
This says Judge Middleton calling for Roy Lowry. Mr. Lowry, you failed to appear for an arraignment this morning on a driving charge.
This is unrelated, but I just thought it was kind of fun.
We'll be issuing a warrant for your arrest. Please contact the court. Have a nice day. He has a last pretrial in another case for 6-2.
I'm not sure that's the wake up voicemail I'd want to get.
I'll leave you one tomorrow.
I'm going to issue a warrant for your arrest. Please call me.
All right, let's bring these ladies back in.
It don't take that long to get all my tickets gathered up.
All right, ladies, I've got you back in the courtroom. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir, I can.
All right, I'm talking to Haley Thomas. Haley, we're going to do your cases first, and then we will do Christie's cases. All right?
Yep, that works for us.
All right. We have several cases involving Haley Melinda Thomas. File number 22750-ON alleges trespass in the city of Sturgis at 304 West Street on May 4th. File 22778 alleges trespass, city of Sturgis, yesterday, May 10. File 22778 is another, that's a disorderly person from yesterday, May 10. Those are all regarding Haley Thomas. Mr. Timothy Reed, the Sturgis City Attorney, is here. Miss Thomas, you got to stay out of 304 West Street.
Yes, sir. I just wonder how to make payments for these tickets.
Well, you haven't been convicted of any of them yet.
Oh, thank gosh. See, I can't get into a motel until Thursday, sir. I'm trying to get out of here.
Are you there
I'm
right now?
handicapped. Huh? Yeah, I'm here. I'm on the porch.
Yep, just as TJ said, they're at the flop house.
Okay, what do the boys have to do to get you to hit like and subscribe? It's pretty much all I have.
On the front porch. Yep, I'm on the front porch. I have nowhere to go, sir, until Thursday. Mr. Honor.
Mr. Honor really gets me.
Trying to get out of here. I just need nowhere to go, sir. I'm handicapped. I have a colostomy bag, a walker. I mean, it's no excuse for what I'm going through. It's just, I don't know how to explain my situation. It just sucks.
Well, I'm going to get an attorney to assist you.
Thank you, sir. Like I said, I have nowhere to go until
You don't have to be
Thursday.
here next Wednesday. I set all your cases. I'm going to set them for an attorney pretrial for June 10th, 2022.
Yeah.
In the 8
That's what I
a.m.
thought. That's what I
Now,
thought. That's
initially-
it.
All right, you're going to have a hearing on, the problem is I don't know where to send your mail, Haley, because you're not
At
supposed to be.
304 West Main Street. That's where I
You're
get
not
all my
supposed to
mail.
be there. The house is condemned. I'm going to issue
I
a
love-
bond condition.
I don't know if you appreciate that. You know, they keep being trespassed from this very property, and the judge knows it where they are, and they're there at the same time, so they're trespassing again. So whatever, it's minor, but it's just funny. She asked the judge to send the mail to the place she's being trespassed.
Oh, shit. What's that mean?
That not reside in 304 West Street.
Oh, shit.
I would also ask they not appear there because they're not the owners of the house or the residents. And there's no work permit open to allow anybody to even be working at the house.
Is there working plumbing in the house, Mr. Reed?
Yes, we have water, we have toilet, we have water, we have electricity, we got heat.
We're waiting to see they executed an administrative search warrant and they're writing up a report for me on the what's going on there.
All right. Now, Haley, you may
Yes,
end
sir.
up getting arrested. We'll give you a place to
Oh, yes.
stay at
I'm out
the
of here.
jail. And stop cursing
Uh-uh.
on the record.
No,
I know where there's free lodging.
no, I don't want to get arrested, sir. What do I gotta do? I can't get out of here till Thursday.
Need to get out of there. Now, I don't think the city wants to give you until Thursday. They're afraid this place is gonna
Oh,
burn
shit.
up with everybody in it. I don't think there's any electricity on in the house.
Yes, sir. There's electricity. There's electricity, there's heat, there's water,
I
there's
know
a toilet.
one of the issues is all those were installed with no permits or without a licensed contractor, and there's been issues in the past with the furnace that we're not really sure where it came from or how it got installed.
Holy shit. I didn't know any of
Now,
this,
Haley,
Honor.
will you stop swearing? Haley.
Yes, sir. I'm leaving. I'm not going to jail for something stupid because I'm homeless.
Alright. June 10th.
No,
in the
I'll
morning,
sleep on a street.
next hearing.
That's what you guys want me to do, sleep on the street? Is that what you want?
I don't know what I want. What the city wants is they want everybody out of that house before it burns up with a bunch of people in it. It's been condemned. Miss
So
Seeley
you wanna-
Roberts, stop.
I was
Your
just saying.
case- Your cases are all set for next week.
Yes, sir.
There are 8 of them.
Okay. It's not a video. I don't know how to do that.
And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to appoint an attorney for you.
Okay.
And I'm going to set it for an attorney pretrial
Okay.
for June 10th.
We're going to jail.
And I'm issuing the same bond condition. You're not to be in that house.
I have nowhere else to. I've tried the shelters. My son's not around here right now. My mom and dad are still in Flint. So, and I do not know where my husband is right now. We're all in the same boat. We have quit, please. I don't have, I'm
I
waiting
don't
on
have
that.
an answer to this. I'm sorry we have a homeless situation.
And I
You don't have
am.
any go, but you're in an unsafe place.
I know where I'm at, Your Honor. I know where I'm at. It's the only safe place I do have right now, considering my heart condition.
Well, you don't own the house. It's been
I know I don't. I know who owns the
You're
house.
not supposed to be there, and if you
I
continue to
understand
be
that.
there, we will give you a place to stay at the St. Joe County Jail. So
For
your
what?
next date is June 10th in the morning. I'll appoint an attorney. Your case is set for next Wednesday. So you're here now. I've done this early. So you don't have to be here next Wednesday. Jeff, you have to get out of that house.
Well, I'm working on it as fast as I can. I can only do so much. I've had COVID and stuff like that, so I haven't been able to do anything.
All right. Well, maybe we'll give you ladies a place to stay at the jail until we can sort this out.
I'm out of here. I don't think so. I'm not going back to the jail. I do my fines.
Scouts are going to come there, and they're going to...
Yeah, I know. I talk to them every day.
All right.
And they have,
Now
I mean,
there's a
just, the police have been there every day and they're making routine checks at these houses as they know.
Yeah, I talk to them every day. I'm out here every day and talk to them. I don't have a problem with any of them. I show them respect and everything. They show me with, they show me respect.
And I don't think
I'm
the
doing what I
officers are overly upset with most of the individuals as they are finding a place to live and I think paying some rent, and they understand that, but
Well, I'm paying for rent.
so they're not.
I am paying.
You pay for rent here.
Ladies,
I do, at least I speak to myself.
Stop. You're paying rent to Mr. Rippey?
I help him out around the house. Yes, I do. I'm the one who helps
I would
him out.
not pay 1 penny of rent. You can't rent a condemned house.
Well, I'm not renting the house. I sleep on the couch.
Well, you're going to have to find a place to go, and I wish I had a better
I'm
answer.
working at.
Anyway,
I'm working.
both of your cases are set for
Don't.
June 10th, and that will be a really fun day.
Oh no. Well,
Anyway,
I mean, like.
see, the main thing, they don't want you to be criminal. They just want to get you out of the house before something bad
And I'm
happens.
working.
And
I'm working and I have to wait for my
that
son.
Something bad has happened more than a few times. 2 little children just burned up in a house in Constantine that I had prohibited people from living in. There was a man in Mottville that burned up in a house. There was one in Sturgis.
Oh, was it really?
Years ago. Some kids died because of a faulty furnace.
I understand that. Was,
All right.
right.
You're both to be here on June 10th in the morning.
Okay, sounds good. I will see you. Do we have to show up?
I don't want to hear that dog anymore.
Sounds like.
I don't know what to tell you, Mr. Reed.
Well, no, you did.
Not appear or be in the house.
No, I appreciate. I mean, at this point, that is all we can do, and we are working. The officers are stopping.
Well,
their
today's
routinely
Wednesday. She said she can get to the motel by Thursday, so
tomorrow.
maybe if they can let it slide for a day.
So they've been working. I mean, they've been stopping. The shifts have been stopping every day or every other day, depending on the shift at that house and at the other one's making the rounds. And
Well, there you have it. That was just too fun. Yes, I know it's a bad situation. I don't need the pearl clutching. Yes, they're in court because it's a bad situation. That's what it is. We're adults here. But it was funny that they kept swearing. But aside from that, they were really quite respectful and they weren't giving him a hard time. But including calling him Mr. Honor, which they intended to be respectful. Here at Law Talk, we like to have fun with silly stuff that happens in court, and every once in a while, and completely by accident, I assure you, you might learn something. Thanks for watching.